Kent Ridge in Spray Provincial Park, Alberta, Canada. And yeah, it's about 6.5 mile round trip. Getting a late start here, 5:30 p.m. We were at Yoho National Park earlier today, so maybe a sunset hike, depends how long it takes me. Here we go. These views are just outstanding, and the lighting is really cool right now near the end of the day. Again, pretty much the whole thing to myself. Saw a couple people. There's some way out in front of me, and there was people taking pictures way back there. That's about it. Otherwise, just me and this beautiful mountain. So, take it in one more time. All right, I think I've reached the top of the ridge. Wow, that is a special view. Pretty cool. Got the whole thing to myself too, which is awesome. I know this can be a busy one, so pretty special to just have this morning to myself up here. Doesn't get a whole lot better than this. Last hike of the trip. Definitely a good one to end on. Just loving this view and this solitude. Alright, I am at Lake Louise in Banff National Park. Heading up to Mount Whyte and Mount Niblock. It's a beautiful day. So it's gonna be a long day, probably about 4,500 feet of vert, 10 mile or so round trip, because I'm gonna take a little detour at the Big Beehive for sunrise. So let's do it. Mount Niblock, baby. It's amazing. It's nice too, the wind is almost non-existent over here. It's pretty brutal coming up, but look at that sun shining through. That is just a special sight. Standing on the official summit of Mount Whyte. Very cool 360 views. a bad 360. Glacier, some great mountains, and stunning Peyto Lake. And this beautiful waterfall. Oh my goodness, is this beautiful. But how's this for a 360? A big glacier, more glaciers, and a beautiful lake, waterfall, another huge glacier, and then this gem. Doesn't get much better.